Are you experiencing Amazon Fire Stick error code 403? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the device. The error code 403 is a forbidden error on an Amazon Fire Stick, typically indicates that you are not authorized to access the content or service you are trying to use. To fix the issue, the first thing you can try is restart the Fire Stick. Restart it by unplugging it, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. Once the device restarts, check if you can access the app now. Method 2. Check country settings. To change the country and region on Amazon Fire Stick, you can refer to this detailed guide. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Amazon Fire Stick is connected to the internet. You can check your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net from your mobile or PC. You can also run a speed test from Fire Stick. Open Settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now, select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. If it's not connected, reconnect it immediately. Slow internet speeds can also trigger error code 403, so you can restart your router or modem. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the router. Method 4. Try to sync the content. Go to Settings, then select Account and Profile Settings. Next, select Sync Amazon Content. This process will refresh the content on your Fire TV device and ensure that it is synced with your Amazon account. Method 5. Enable or disable VPN service. Sometimes licensing agreements affect the shows you can watch. You can use a VPN to bypass regional restrictions and access content. If you are already using a VPN service, then disable it and check if the issue gets fixed now. Method 6. Verify your login credentials. Check and verify your login credentials with the service provider. Make sure they are entered correctly. If using an IPTV service, contact your provider and ask them to check if there are any issues with their servers or your account. Method 7. Clear the app cache. The next thing you can do is clear the app cache. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications. Then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app. Click Clear Cache or Clear Data as per your system options. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. Method 8. Check for updates. Go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Look for any available updates for the app. If there are updates available, install them and see if the issue is resolved. Method 9. Check for system updates. Go to Settings and select My Fire TV and select About. Now, check for updates on your Fire TV. After that, you can update your Fire TV to the latest version. Follow as shown. Once done, the issue might be resolved. Method 10. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. And there you have it. The ways to fix Amazon Fire Stick error code 403. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.